Now about the longitudes. These are the longitudes, these are also imaginary lines. They are drawn on the earth surface vertically, right, like this. So this is the North Pole, this is the South Pole. From North Pole and South Pole, one of the important axis which is passes from the exactly middle of the India. This passes exactly interior is passes from interior of the earth surface. So is passes from the center of the earth also. So this is called as a 0 degree longitudes and also Greenwich line. Greenwich line. Greenwich line. Right. By Greenwich line or 0 degree longitude, earth surface divided into two equal parts is a western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere. Right. Now see, each and every longitude in the shape of the semicircle. So like this latitude, whatever the shape of the latitude means circle shape. Each and every longitude in the shape of the semicircle. Each and every longitude, they are starting point from the at North Pole to ending point is at the South Pole. Means from polewards they are starting ending they are at the polewards. So Western hemisphere and Eastern hemisphere, right. On this Greenwich line, we are finding the International Standard Time. International Standard Time. This is also we are calculating on the earth surface. Now you can see an earth surface, this is the half of the earth surface, we are seeing here like this. We are seeing the half of the earth surface is under the daytime because of is receiving the vertical rays from the sun. That back side of the half of the area is not receiving the sun rays. That's why that is on the under the night time. So now you can see that from equator to go to the eastern side is gradually that number of latitudes are increased. That on eastern side hemisphere there are the some of the longitudes, each and every longitude which is starting from the North Pole ending at the South Pole like this. Right, like this. These are the longitudes, they are drawn on the earth surface on eastern hemisphere like this. Right now look like a right like this. These are the longitudes. Each and every longitudes they are starting at the North Pole ending at the South Pole, right, like this. And from 0 to up to and eastern extreme longitude which is called as a 90 degree longitude. And also western hemisphere also divided into 90 longitudes. This is a Greenwich line or 0 degree longitude. This from year to year western extreme longitude which is called as a 90 degree longitude. Eastern extreme longitude which is called as a is 90 degree longitudes. Now you can see year to year. Is from year to year 90 longitudes, from year to year 90 longitudes. So this is the half of the portion is the remaining half of the earth surface which is on the back side. So on back side of the half of the earth surface as a is a longitudes also drawn on the longitudes. Now you can see 90 plus 90 180 and back side also 180 longitudes they have there. So now you can see this is a 180. Now see from year to year 90 and back side also 90 also is there. From year to year 90 back side also 90 is there. So that back side 90 longitude we have taken to the eastern side and also like this. These are the 90. So this eastern extreme longitude which is called 90, this is a 91, 92 like this 100, 110, 120, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, like this, 180 longitude. So this is the equator. Now western part of the 180, eastern side. So this side also, the back side 90 is there, they are also, you have to take the on western side, like this. So now 180, right. Now see, on western side 180, on eastern side 180. There are the, on earth surface, western hemisphere 180, eastern hemisphere 180. This total 180 plus 180. There are the 360 longitude on earth surface, like this. Now you can see here, you can observe the here, this is the 0 degree longitudes, 0 degree longitudes, which is called as a Greenwich line also, which is called. So this by 0 degree longitude, by 0 degree longitude, this western part of the area, which is called as a western hemisphere, eastern part of this area, eastern hemisphere. Western hemisphere like this is a divided into 180 plus, now you can see from year to year 90, and back side also is there, that back side like this. This back side portion is shown here only, like this, 180, 180, 180, 105, 120, 135, like this. That back side also is there. Totally this is the 180 longitude. So this including 0 Greenwich line, this 180 plus this side 180, the total number of longitudes, they have the 360 longitudes. Now I can explain here now about that. Right, now see, just like that, this is the North Pole, is a South Pole. Now you can see here this Greenwich line like this. This is a 0 degree longitude, is a gradually from year to year, means is a back side also is there, is a from year to year, they are the 180, from year to the 180, like this. So that back side, this is called as a 180 degree longitude. So generally, which is called as a international dateline. So there are the two important longitude on earth surface. One of the is a 0 degree longitudes, 0 degree longitudes, which is called as a Greenwich line. And also one more important longitudes is exactly on the back side. So now see, this is the Greenwich line exactly on the back side of this line, that is exactly on the back side. This is called as a 0 degree longitudes, and another name of the 0 degree longitude, international dateline. At that time, at that Greenwich, at that 180 longitude, the date of the, generally the date and day, it will be changes, and that western side, you can go to the western side, day it will be increase, and eastern side, they are the, this day it will be decrease. That's why this is called as a international dateline. These are longitudes and longitudes, they are generally imagination line. They are intersecting, is at one of the place on the earth surface. At that intersecting, they are called as a grid. Like this, they are the longitudes, they are intersecting like this, they are called as a grid. Right, grid means is a one of the places, one of the country, any one of the region, like this. So if you want to find out that about that place, is they are the very helpful to the human body, helpful for that, for us. They are the, to find out that place of the importance of that place is very, very important to about that latitudes and longitude. These are the, is a some of the main concept. This is the in TED and also DSC and Gurukula teachers also about that, this latitudes and longitude is about that, this latitudes and longitude, some of the part it will be in 6th class, some of the part it will be in 8th class also. Is that is a maximum latitudes and longitude in the 2 classes they have they taken the, so major part it will be is covered in this concept. Now latitudes, they are the main conclusion, it will be these are the very important concept is a longitudes and longitude. By this imagination line we are find out the is a some important places and also climate system like a rainfall and temperature and forest area, and like this so many other physical features we are find out by the latitude and longitudes. So by this latitudes and longitudes major uses they are the temperature and rainfall, and also daytime and nighttime also we are observe is a day and night times also we are the find it. So another important the distance we are also calculating by the latitudes and longitudes. Now generally these are the vertical races, they are called as a longitudes, horizontal lines they are called as a latitudes. So horizontal line, they are the total number of the horizontal lines means latitudes on the earth surface. North hemisphere 90 latitude and south hemisphere 90 latitudes. That 90 north hemisphere and south hemisphere 90, 180 plus, and also one of the biggest latitude that is the equator. Means total number of latitudes they are 180 plus 1 equator means 180 plus 1 equator is equal to 180 latitudes. So which is the one of the biggest circle means is a equator, one of the biggest latitude means equator. So and longitudes, each and every longitude they are starting from the north pole ending at the south pole. So they are the total on eastern hemisphere 180 longitudes and western hemisphere 180 longitude, they are the total number of longitude 360 longitude. These are also very important to find out the is standard time of the any countries, and also standard time of the international standard time also they are calculating on that longitudes. Indian standard time also they are calculating on the basis of the longitudes. So how to calculate the how to find out the Indian standard time, next class I can go to the how to find out the Indian standard time according to the latitudes and longitudes. So this is about the latitude and longitude is a TET and DSC and Gurukula teachers also is very useful